Alright.
What's up?
So, random little video. We got a Honda and it's not running. So, we're going to show you 2 easy ways to test if you got a dead battery or an alternator. So, alright. Just got in the fucking car. It's fucking cold as shit, man.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we're just going to take a quick trip to his house, which is like 5 minutes away. So, enjoy the time lapse. Alright, so we just got to the Honda here. Sorry about the wind and all this stuff. It's really cold here. So first thing first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pop your hood, obviously.
On both vehicles.
Alright, so once your hood's popped, you're going to want to locate your battery, obviously. Right now we got a jumper here. We're going to try and on top of boosting. We did try boosting it yesterday and it wasn't enough power. It could have been shitty cables, vice versa. But you're going to want to take your car, try boosting it. And if you can't boost it, then you might have bigger problems. So first things first, you're going to boost it. And if you can boost it, cool, good. Turn it off, turn it on, whatever. Let it go. But while it's running, you're going to want to try loosening your negative terminal and taking that off of the post of the battery while it's running. And if your car dies, then you know that you have an alternator problem. And if your car stays running, then your alternator is good and you most likely have a battery problem. So we will try to demonstrate that right now, and hopefully we can get this car started in this blizzard that we got. Okay, so we got one booster cable set up right here. We got the jumper on it, and then we're gonna add the boosting cables from the other car on top of this one to hopefully give it enough power to make it start. So let's hope. Hey! Okay, so now that we got her started, we're gonna unplug everything and then we'll come back and try the alternator. Alright, so we got her started, but we just came to run back to the car because it's minus 19 without the wind chill. It's fucking cold.
With the wind chill, it's like 24.
If not fucking colder now. And yeah, I can't feel my fucking hands right now. You can't even see them, but yeah, we're warming up, so give us a moment for that one.
Next step, we'll probably, we'll just take the negative battery terminal off. And if it dies, I need an alternator. And if it doesn't, I need a battery.
Alright, so we're just gonna loosen the negative terminal right now. Fuck the wind, Jesus. Anyways, we're gonna loosen the negative terminal right now. Sorry about the wind noise in the background. And if this disconnects and turns off, then you know that it's actually your alternator that is probably your problem and not your battery. So it can help save you and not be stranded in the winter time.
Alternator's good.
So as you can see, it's off and the car hasn't changed at all. So our problem guaranteed is 100% the battery. So
we're gonna go make a
Walmart trip. One of the two, Walmart or Canadian Tire, I don't know.
Wally World or Crappy Tire, you know?
But that is good news for us. But yes, if that stalls your car, then yeah, start looking into your alternator to be fixed, because you don't want to go wasting money if you don't need to.
Make sure you rotate your terminal.
Yeah, that too. You will kill it that way. But we're gonna go do that. We're gonna change out the battery, and then we'll show you how to change this battery quick on a Honda. So we'll get into that. All right, so we discovered the problem real quick, real easy. So I guess now we're just gonna time lapse again, I guess, to the Walmart.
More driving. Another adventure.
Let's go. Alright, we changed our mind. We're gonna go to both.
We're gonna price them out at Canadian Tire first, and then go to Wally World.
Alright, what options do we have? Very expensive ones. These are too big. Hey, we at Walmart now, so let's see what fucking shit they got now.
See what goodies they got.
Alright, we're here. While we're here, honestly, might have to make a Hot Wheels trip.
Almost guarantee that.
Oh yeah, dude, this Walmart with Hot Wheels is like the worst.
Yo,
Hot Wheels in Canada in general, horrible.
Every city has that one Walmart that, you know, is just worse than all the other ones.
Yeah,
we're in that Walmart.
Yeah, honestly, this is like the hood Walmart. So we'll see how this goes. The goodies.
Mercedes-Benz.
Yeah, that's pretty dope. So we got the new battery. We're good. So let's go. Let's go continue this cold fucking venture. All right. So got a 10 mil wrench now. I can get this off properly. So yeah, you're gonna want to start with loosening your battery tie down. And once you get that done, you're gonna move on to your terminals. Do your negative first, like we've said hundreds of times. Do not stress me yet. Negative first. Then take off your positive, and then you should be able to throw in your new battery, and hopefully she runs. All right. So now you can start disconnecting your negative terminal once you get that little bracket off that holds your battery down, and just loosen it a bit. You should be able to loosen it off. And then, like we said, again, take the negative off first and then your positive. And when you put them back in, do it this vice versa, opposite way. Positive first, negative last. All right. Just got pulling out the old one, put the new one in. Sorry, didn't film. It's freezing out here, so can't really do that. So now, just kind of wiggle her in place, and you should be able to get the mounts back in. And then put the battery terminals back on, and you should be good to go. Wow, look at that. Seems that we have fixed the problem. So yeah, it's that simple to check your battery or if it's an alternator. And sorry there was no alternator video. I kind of thought it was. So yeah, so there's 2 easy ways to check it and make sure. So you guys already know the deal though. Like, comment, subscribe, cool card content.